Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Cardano video update for Sunday 19th of June, and we've already talked about Cardano in the previous videos. I actually made a bear flag showing you and indicating that Cardano might be looking to be dropping down to these levels. So where did this came from? I'm just gonna dive into probably, I think it's the weekly and not the daily maybe. So here we are, and boom boom, something like that. Just gonna open up the weekly. So here's the weekly time frame, and on the weekly, guys, I told you that you were moving down impulsively like this, and then you try to make a false move to the sideways. You broke it out, and you start to move to the downside. And yes, this is on a technical journey to go down to the 186. Okay, so 18 cents is what I'm looking for Cardano. And look at this, man, from the all-time high, you really discounted, man. Even right now, you're already 85% down. Okay, this one goes 93, 94% down. It does make sense for Cardano to go down there. The reason is, on a typical bear market, you're gonna see a lot of coins actually making 90 plus drops. Even some of them even make 99% drops based on history. Okay, so if you actually watch the history of these coins, they actually drop quite badly. For example, this one here, the last time, I do have one proof. So from that all-time high down here, 95%. If history was to be repeated, you're looking for the same fate once again, 94, 95. So that's the average of what Cardano does. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.